Hello everyone, my name is Shichika and welcome to my channel Imperfect Souls. जो लोग मुझे Instagram पर already follow करते हैं, they might be knowing this, but for my YouTube audience, let me tell you, we went to a road trip to Leh Ladakh. Yes, you are hearing it right. We completed the entire circuit starting from Kashmir to Leh and finally coming back through Manali, covering all different parts of Ladakh including Nubra Valley, Pangong, Somorori and many other places. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you a complete 12-day itinerary of Leh Ladakh that will surely help you in planning your trip to Leh Ladakh next time. But before that, if you like my content, please make sure channel के support के लिए that you are subscribing to my channel and pressing that bell icon so that you are always notified whenever I put up a new video. And guys, Leh Ladakh के vlogs बहुत ही जल्दी चैनल पर आने वाले हैं and trust me, you do not want to miss them. So make sure that you are subscribing to my channel. Now without any further ado, आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. We started from Delhi and reached Udhampur, which is approximately 630 kilometers and will take 11 to 12 hours. The journey will be quite comfortable because you will be traveling in plain areas for most of the time. This will be the day when you will be entering Jammu and Kashmir, and as you enter the J&K border, you will have to fill up a form with all your details, including the name of your passengers, their phone number and their address, and you will also have to show the RT-PCR negative report of all the passengers that are traveling with you. On day 2, we started from Udhampur and reached Srinagar, which is approximately 200 kilometers and takes 6 hours as per Google. बट एक्चुअल में बिकॉज यू आर ट्रैवलिंग इन माउंटेन्स तो इससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाता है. जब हम लास्ट टाइम कश्मीर गए थे तब वी हैड टू फेस अ लैंडस्लाइड एंड दिस टाइम वी वर स्टॉप्ड मल्टीपल टाइम्स ड्यू टू आर्मी मूवमेंट, सो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा टाइम एक्स्ट्रा लगता ही है. एंड दिस डे वी टुक अ डिटोर ऑफ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 150 kilometers to visit a herbal waterfall which is also known as Niagara of Kashmir, and trust me, this detour is really worth it because this waterfall is so beautiful and so huge and it is so peaceful and serene to visit that place. Journey started from Srinagar and we were supposed to reach Kargil, which is 200 kilometers away and will take 6 hours as per Google. But हम उस दिन सिर्फ द्रास तक ही पहुंच पाए, which is like 60 kilometers before Kargil because of a landslide that happened on the way to Zojila Pass. So this will be the day when you will be covering Zojila Pass, which is the first pass of your journey. The road conditions are fine except at some places where you could find big potholes and snow on both sides of the road that can considerably reduce your speed. This will be the day when you will be entering Ladakh UT, and as you enter you will have to show your RT-PCR negative report and you will also have to undergo a rapid antigen test. इसका जो कंप्लीट प्रोसेस है दैट आई हैव कवर्ड इन व्लॉग्स जो आपको अपकमिंग वीडियोस में दिख जाएगा. if you have an extra day, you can go to Zanskar Valley, which is suitable for people who love off-roading. ये हमने कवर नहीं किया था because the road conditions there are really bad. On day 4, we started from Dras and reached Leh, which is approximately 280 kilometers and will take 6 to 7 hours. On your way to Leh, you can visit Kargil War Memorial, Magnetic Hill and Patthar Sahib Gurdwara. This will be the day when you will also be crossing to important passes, which is Namekla and Fatula. This will be the chill day when you will be getting used to of the weather, and आगे नुब्रा वैली और पैंगोंग की तरफ जाने के लिए you need certain permits. So this will be the day when you will be getting all those permits. इसके लिए you have to visit DC office of Leh, जिसकी टाइमिंग होगी सुबह 10 बजे से 12 बजे तक. And after you are done with getting all these permits, you can visit local Leh, where you can go to Sangam, जहाँ पर इंडस रिवर और जंस्कर रिवर का मेल होता है, and then you can go to Shanti Stupa, Leh Palace and Leh Market. Journey will start from Leh and you will be moving towards Nubra Valley. So this will be the day when you will be crossing Khardungla Pass, which is one of the highest motorable roads in the world. यहाँ जाने के लिए आपको अपना पहला परमिट दिखाना होगा at one of the checkpoints. You can stay at Hundar, which is like 125 kilometers away from Leh, and it will take approximately 6 to 7 hours. Ladakh is also known as the land of cold desert, and once you will reach Hundar, you will get to know why is it called so, because this place has some really beautiful sand dunes which you can surely visit in the evening. On day 7, you can go to Tayakshi village via Turtuk, which is approximately 90 kilometers and will take 2 hours and 30 minutes. This is the last village from where you can literally see POK, and this is the place where we tasted the local authentic food of Ladakh, so it is a must visit place. Once you come back from Tayakshi, that would take another 2 hours and 30 minutes. You can stay at Diskit and visit Diskit Monastery. On day 8, we started from Diskit and took a detour to Panamik, which is approximately 60 kilometers and took 1.5 hours. And there we saw some amazing hot springs. Then on the same day, we went to the world famous Pangong Lake, which is another 256 kilometers and took 7 hours. So if you are short on time, you can skip Panamik, but my suggestion would be to start early and cover both the places because they both are really worth it. Next day, we traveled from Pangong to Somoriri, which is another really beautiful lake. अब सोमोरिरी जाने के 2 रास्ते हैं. One which goes via Durbuk and is approximately 328 kilometers long and will take 9 to 10 hours. And दूसरा रास्ता जो हमें locals ने बताया था, which goes via Man village and Chushul village, which is 180 kilometers long and will take 6 to 7 hours. Now this was the most interesting journey of our entire road trip because this was the road less taken. कहीं कहीं पर रोड काफ़ी अच्छी थी एंड कहीं कहीं रोड वाज स्टिल अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन. यहाँ पर गूगल मैप आपको पुराना कच्चा रास्ता दिखाएगा, सो यू विल हैव टू लुक अराउंड एंड सी इफ यू कैन सी एनी रोड. Just make sure that you go on that road and you will reach your destination. On this day, you will also be crossing one really important pass, which is Horla. This is a little difficult road because 70 to 80 किलोमीटर के stretch में आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. No villages, no dhabas, nothing. So make sure that you have your food and water supplies with you. This is the path which is appropriate for adventure seekers, but if you are going with your family, I would suggest you to go via the first route, which is through Durbuk. On day 10, journey starts from Somoriri and try to reach Jispa, which is like 320 kilometers away and will take 11 to 12 hours. Now the road which connects Somoriri to Manali Leh highway is in a bad condition, and the road between Pang to Sarchu is even worse. Like there were some times where we were literally thinking कि road कहाँ पर है. So you can understand the situation. Most of the patches are under construction. So maybe by next year things will get better, but as of June 2021, the road conditions are really worse. This will be the day when you will be crossing 3 passes: Lachla, Nathutop and Baralacha. And due to bad road conditions, we could only reach Sarchu this day because we do not prefer to travel at night. On day 11, we went from Sarchu to Kullu, where we also crossed Baralachla Pass, which was actually a very interesting journey because we crossed many water crossings. The whole pass was covered with snow and it was definitely a treat to the eyes. And on day 12, we finally came back from Kullu to Delhi. So this was our entire journey covering everything in Leh Ladakh. We traveled almost 3500 kilometers and the whole journey was so beautiful and amazing. It was definitely an experience of lifetime. We started from Kashmir and came back through Manali. You can also do it otherwise. I have captured everything in detail in vlogs that will be coming super soon on my channel. In the next video, I will be telling you all the things that you need to know before planning your trip to Leh Ladakh. So make sure that you are subscribing to my channel and pressing that bell icon so that you are always notified whenever I put up a new video. आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. If you have any questions, you can comment down below or DM me on Instagram. See you next time. Bye bye.